Little drops of water make the mighty ocean, as some poets say. I collect every single drops of oil, along with all the food chunks and bits that are greasy enough. Some may find it mighty disgusting, but I don't bother refining it at all. The soap is made from this appalling, utterly corrupted, unrefined oil, with all those impurities later get pulverized by stick blender and becomes a homogeneous solution. I found they sometimes outperform the soap made from any other clean vegetable oil, and I reckon this is because animal fat renders better lather. Due to innumerable variables, exactly how much sodium hydroxide should be calculated for a batch of oil with this much impurities is impossible to know. So there's only one course of action open, which is to take the saponification value of oil, that consists a major part of it, which in this case was the sunflower oil, and the second biggest part is the lard. Luckily, the value of these two do not differ greatly. It also contains a little bit of beef tallow and extra virgin olive oil, but they're simply too scarce to be counted. And along with that, there must be some moisture content in food pieces that adds up to the weight of it. For this reason, depending on impurity level of the specific batch accumulated, which I just roughly estimate, a generous 15 to 20% of superfed is given. Without a single doubt, the last question should be, of course, does it have a terrible stench? I do admit that the soap itself has some exotic scent to it, but none of it remains after being washed out. In fact, this is a soap I wash my hands with before I commence cooking. They simply don't smell,